interrupt this program. This is an emergency. Please follow these instructions. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The world is ending in 5 minutes. I repeat, the world is ending in 5 minutes. Please stay calm. This is not a test. After this transmitted or ongoing message, all internet sources will go down for the final upcast, as this warning will not be lifted now that the world is ending in 4 minutes now. I want you all to give me your last words. The world is ending in 1 minute. I repeat, the world is ending in 1 minute. This is not a test. The world is ending in 1 minute. I repeat, the world is ending in 1 minute. South America, you are not good enough. South America will be gone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Australia, you have no power. You will be gone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All oceans across the world will be gone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Europe, you suck. I repeat, you suck. You always lie to me and always have. Why do you lie to me, Europe? You suck. You will be gone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Asia, stop being rivals at me. You are weak and have no power. You know what? You're gonna be gone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Antarctica, you will be gone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North America, I have no choice, but you will be gone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This alert will cease transmission. The world will be gone in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.